Hi, I'm Dave Epstein. Today on Growing Wisdom, we're going to be talking about some succulents representing the front and the back of a donkey. All right, so I had to give you a quick little tease there for what we're talking about. So this is the donkey tail plant, and this is the donkey ear plant. So we got the back and the front. And these are two different succulents. So these two plants really aren't really related. This is in the sedum family. This is in the kalanchoe family, however you want to say that particular name. I'm probably botching it. But both of these would like about the same amount of light. So they tend to want bright sun. They don't want to be wet. Any of your succulents generally want to be left on the dry side. So one of the things you want to do with any of these plants is really give it a finger test. Get your finger in there. If it feels at all moist, do not water, hold back. What will happen is you'll start to rot the roots of these, and that can be problematic. So one of the interesting things about this plant right now is that it is in flower, and let's take a look. You can see that it's started to flower here. These will open up and become little flowers. Now you would grow this more for the foliage, but the flowers are kind of a bonus. It will also grow a new plant at some of the end of the ears. So if you look here at this particular ear that fell off, there's a little plant growing, and you could actually just break that off and plant that. Here's another one down here, and you can already see, look at all the roots on this. So a lot of plants do this in this family. They'll get mini plants or pups growing on the ends of the ears, and these are viable. You can stick these in some soil, give them away as a present, or just grow them. So donkey tail and donkey ears. The other great thing about the donkey tail part is it makes a great hanging plant. So you can see here at Barry's Greenhouse in Natick, we've got a lot of these hanging plants right now, and they'll be growing these out and selling them on towards spring, but they are very nice and they have this wonderful bluish tinge to the leaves, so that's also quite interesting as well. For Growing Wisdom, I'm Dave Epstein.